just take Tuffy out. I want to get back in like the whole house was black because like how bright the sun and this white all is, everything being white.
Well, I would say so. I don't see how you can, or anybody up outside without sunglasses on.
I want Botox into my eyes for the concept of the sweat. Jim is Jesse's husband is probably hanging out without Jesse's twacked out ass in that bitch.
She posted a picture where she was like standing up, hanging out.
Sexy.
I thought she was paralyzed.
She is in physical therapy right now. I think she's living at that rehab.
Yeah, I see. Oh shit. I see like when she posts pictures, it's all like
Old pictures of her. Her story.
Yeah, like she posting pictures. You can tell she's at a like facility or something because it's like. The vibes and like the surrounding of the picture is like a drive-through thing or like a hospital pickup and drop-off spot. It's got that big concrete post, so the driveway like curves out to the road. So like,
she was outside staring. That's really good then.
no, I'm saying the last picture that I seen, like it was like on a little, like I don't know how your Facebook looks on your phone, but like you have your story and then like at the top it has all like